This tutorial will talk you through creating a Gmail account and setting up a YouTube account. Please note, if you already have a Gmail account, you don't need to follow the first steps. You can jump straight to the YouTube parts. So the first thing we need to is create a Gmail account. So click on Gmail, click on Gmail, Google. So you can see I've got an account there, so I'm going to use another account. I'm going to create an account for myself. So my name in there. So the username I'm just creating is testlinedance1. Put in the password that you want to use. You need to remember this and type it in both boxes. Click next. It doesn't like that. So just try another account, another password. Okay, that's great. So now you do need to put in your telephone number, because when you create the account, Google will send you a text message asking you to confirm that it's yours. Put in the date of birth and your gender, if you so wish. Click next. Now within probably 30 seconds you'll receive a text message from Google with a code. When you get that code, you need to type it into this box. For the purpose of this video, we've got one here, 025073. So you can click verify now, and if you want to continue using this Gmail account for other things, I would suggest yes, I'm in. If not, you can just skip this part. Then the all-encompassing terms and conditions, if you scroll right down to the bottom, you can see that you've got to agree to both. To create an account, then it allows you to confirm that you can get personalized ads. Click confirm. Just give it a moment or two to create the account. It does take up to 30 seconds to create the account. Once the account is created, you're up and running straight away with Gmail. You can use this for anything you want as your normal email address if you so wish. So you can see now the Gmail account is created. If I click on this box up here, you can see it says Sean Bailey testlinedance1@gmail.com. You can start providing that to people all over if you want. Okay, so you can see it right there. So now we've got a Gmail account. Now we need to move on to creating a YouTube account. So I'm going to click on here and type in YouTube. Click on youtube.com. Now I need to log in. So I'm going to click sign in. And you can see that I'm logged in. testlinedance1@gmail.com. So now we've got this set up. We've got a Gmail account and now we've got a YouTube account. We need to set up a channel. So in the top right hand corner here, you'll see an icon. Please note that it won't always say S, it will be the first letter of your name. Okay, click on that and click create a channel. So we get started. So we can either use the username you set up in Gmail, which is my name, or you can create a custom name for your club or your classes. Just for the purpose of this, I'm just going to select use my name. So we've now got the channel Sean Bailey has been created. We can upload a picture here for either yourself or your club logo and tell people about your channel. So this is a test account set up for the purpose of a YouTube tutorial. We can add links to your site. So probably the key one here will be the Facebook. So you need to go into Facebook, get your URL for your account, probably for your closed group or if you've got a group. If you've got a Twitter account or an Instagram account. If you do have your own website, you can put it in here, so live website, and put in the URL of your website. Please note, I'm using everythinglinedance.com as an example here. It's not mine. So once we're ready there, we can type as much information as we want. We click save and continue. Once the page reloads, you'll be onto your channel account. And here it is. This is the channel we've just created. So we can customize the channel, we can add page dates, we can get videos uploaded. It shows us a list of all our videos that we created and all our stats. We'll cover that in the next video about how to upload your videos.